Hello and welcome to day 22 of the n8n series. So far we have seen everything that we wanted about WhatsApp. But in today's video, we are going to cover how do we build an entire WhatsApp agent which can respond to text messages, image-based messages, and also audio-based messages, all within less than 20 minutes. So without any further delay, let's get started. So to begin with, let's go for WhatsApp and use trigger on message, right? So let's click on execute step. So it will start listening to the message. Let me go over here and we have to send a message. Let's ask who is the cricketer who has maximum runs in international cricket. So we have sent a message here and it has already heard that particular message. Okay. Now, one of the things that we want to do is we want this bot to respond back for text-based messages, image-based message, and also audio-based. And for that, let's already go ahead and click on switch, use switch here. Okay, and we have the type, okay, is equals to text. Then this would be text. Let's go here and use the same thing again. Type is audio. Then this would be audio. Let's add one more where if the type is image, the output will be image. Okay. So let's click on execute step and we have text-based output. Let me move over here. Let's get you over here. And the next one that we want to use is AI agent, right? And let's make this as defined below. And the prompt of the user is basically whatever is coming from the bot. And we could also use system message. And here we have to give something like this. You are a helpful assistant named Sarah. You need to respond to the messages you get from. Okay, so we have a profile name here, okay, which is basically coming from here. So the way we connect it is just drag it and drop it over here. Okay, that's how it works. Click on execute step and AI chat model subnode must be connected. Yes. And here we're going to use OpenAI chat model. Okay, and we could use GPT-5, which is the latest version, and that's all. We'll also use memory so that it can store the previous conversations and it can respond back accordingly. We will use simple memory and we have mentioned it up to 5 conversation, which means the last 5 messages will be stored in the data. Here we're going to use define below. And the key will be the sender from. Okay, basically based on the sender, it identifies different users, right? So any message that comes from this particular number will be saved together. So it becomes context. So once this both are set, let's click on run. Now the result is Sachin Tendulkar with 34,357 international runs, 15,921 tests, 18,426 ODIs, and 10 T20 internationals. Okay, now we're going to send this as a message. Okay, normal message, send message. And the recipient phone number is coming from here. This one we will use as ABCD7 bot. So we have the phone number. Right, and text body will be whatever we have got at output from here. So you can use this, click on execute step. Let's see if I'm receiving it. I go here, I've received the output. Okay, now one of the things that we want to do is if the response, if the message, input message is audio, we want to respond back in audio. And that's why I'm going to just put here if condition and we will check for the type audio So it's a false branch, and if it is false, then we are going to connect this. If it is true, then we will send a WhatsApp audio message. Before that, let me send audio message so that we can configure this. And so let's get this over here, this one here, this one here. So I'll click on execution for this particular flow. So it waits for us to send a message. I'll go here and ask the same question. Who is the cricketer with maximum runs in international cricket? So I've got the audio. Let's go here and execute step. This time it's audio file, and we want to work on this. So we have a download option in WhatsApp. So we need to download the media first. And for that, we need to use our account, media, download, and ID. So that's audio ID. Just use this. Click on execute step. It'll download. Now this is giving us in URL, but what we want to analyze in the OpenAI. Now this is in URL format, but OpenAI wants it in data format, that is binary. So for that, what we will do is we will use a HTTP and get method. URL will be this one. Authentication can be none. Use the headers, and this will be authorization. Okay, we will use a bearer, and we have to use the same access token that we've got from Facebook. So I've just copied that, pasting it over here. Click on execute, and you will get the data in binary format. So once this is available, now one of the things that you have to do is send the text in the same format, irrespective of whether it is text, audio, or image. And for that, we have to use field. Now the next step is for us to analyze the audio, or rather transcribe the audio. So OpenAI transcribe a recording, and we will use this. Data is here, right? So just click on execute step, and it will tell us who is the cricketer with maximum runs in international cricket, right? So we've got that as text. Now one of the things that we have to do is, because we are getting data in different format, text, audio, or image, we have to send the data to this agent in same fashion. Okay, and for that, what we're going to do is use a field, and we're going to put this text over here. So text string JSON text, execute step, and we will use the same thing over here as well, right? And we're going to send. So now cut that. The recent trigger, we've got audio, so here it will not be available. So I'll just click on add feed, and name will be text, and this one will be the value will be JSON.message in square bracket 0 .text.body. Okay, so let's click on execute step. It will not run, that's fine, and we are sending this one over AI agent. Okay, so let's go to AI agent once, because we want this to be removed. Okay, it's not JSON message text body, it's basically JSON.text. Okay, that's what is coming from the previous step. Okay, so I'll just run this once, and run this once, and run this once. Okay, this is already done. And run this once, because when I added these two, it had got disconnected. So let me run this once, and we've got the output, the same output that we had here. Now I'll connect this one to OpenAI and run this. Okay, it says subnode simple memory has got disturbed. Okay, and execute previous nodes. Let's see what happens. So it's actually waiting for anything. No. So I know that this value should be this one, so I just keep it this way, and I'll come back and run this particular node. I've got the output. I'll be running this particular one, and it's not the audio, so this will run. Okay, so let me go back to my WhatsApp thing. As you can see, because we send the audio message, we want to generate audio. Now we'll go to OpenAI and we will use generate audio. Same account, resources audio, generate audio, TTS1, and the text input will be the output which is coming from here, right? And we have different voices which we can choose from, and just use the default one, execute step. We get the audio output, but this is in MP3 format. And what we need for WhatsApp is a different format, right? And so what we will do is we will use code node, but you do not have to write any code manually. We'll share it in the description. Just use the same code. I'm going to put this code here. Just click on execute step, and we will get the file over here, which we can send to WhatsApp. So WhatsApp, send message, but this time it's not the text. We use this one. We'll be sending it using this number. Recipient number is, now we want to send this file via WhatsApp, so I'll just go and duplicate this one. I'll get this over here, use this, and just remove this from text to audio. It's not link. We want to use n8n and data. Click on execute step, and it'll send the audio message to you. Let's quickly check it, and here you go.
Sachin Tendulkar with 34,357 international runs, test 15,921, OT 26 T20 eyes 10.
There you go. And now finally we want to use the image based thing, okay, which is available over here. So I'm going to again trigger this. It'll be waiting for us to send the message, and I'm going to send the message from here. Who is the captain of Indian men's cricket test team? Okay, let's send it. Come back, run this. I've got the image. We have to follow the same step, so I'll just duplicate this, get it over here, connect this, go here. Instead of audio ID, we need the image ID. So I'll just drag this one and drop it here. Execute step. It'll get the URL. Let's use this one. Connect it. Go here, and everything is good. Click on execute step. We get the output. Now, instead of transcribing, we have to use OpenAI's analyze the image, and we could go and check for GPT-5, which is not available. So let's use GPT-4 or latest, and we could ask, what's the question in the image, right? And it's not URL, binary file, and data. So just click on execute step. The question is, image is, who is captain of Indian men's cricket test team? So let's ask, just give it the question, no supporting text required. Let's run this, and you get only the question, right? So once we get this, just use the same feed here, same node basically, and we already have this. So in this case, it will become the context. Execute, we'll get the question. Now connect this one to the ChatGPT node or AI agent. Run this. We get it as Rohit Sharma because this is trained until 2024 September or so. And let's run this. And because it's false, it'll send a response back. So Rohit Sharma is the answer. Now let me click on save and let me click on tidy up. So our bot is ready. Let's quickly activate this and click on got it. Everything is good. Let's try it out. I'm going to this one and ask which is the capital city of India? New Delhi. Which is the capital city of Australia? We need to get the audio response back. Let's see. And there you go. We've got the response.
Canberra.
Canberra. So it worked for text, it worked for audio. Let's send the image and ask it same thing. So I'm going to use the same image because I don't have any other image. So who is the captain of Indian men's cricket test team? And I should get Rohit Sharma as the response. And there you go. And there you go. That's how you can generate a full-blown WhatsApp AI agent using any of the models like GPT-5 or Gemini, Grok, anything. But you have to ensure that you have transcribing audio is available, generating audio is available if you want to send replies in audio, and analyzing the image is available. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please share it with maximum number of people because WhatsApp automation is very, very simple. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.